Somebody living up here. Got some cones.
Got here an illegal crack den.
For me. Two-car garage back here. Park wall. Back of the house. Chilly. It's pretty good.
Damn, it's a big ass TV up here.
Cold. Damn, that is a big ass TV.
Yep. The front porch door should probably be screw shut too. Strong wind to blow that fucker open.
I don't know if I can get out here. Oh yeah, I can. Front porch. Satellite dish. Christmas tree from God knows how long ago. Doesn't look too bad though. It's all been painted pretty recently. Push this around. Kitchen.
You go out on the porch?
Yeah, I did. Oh, bedroom back here. This is clearly the bag room. T-Mobile hotspot internet. Is that? Oh, looks like drugs. It's like a tiny little nugget in the kitchen cabinet. It's legit 3 bedrooms. It's most of a carpet stretcher. Bathroom. That doesn't look great. Like foot tile. All right. I think the best way to the basement is this back hallway.
I'm assuming. We follow you there. Yo, what the fuck is this for?
It's a 3 bed.
Shit.
Locked attic.
It's locked.
Yeah. Can if you want to. I mean, it won't make a difference. It's just an attic, though.
I know. I'm kind of curious over here. You got it.
Pop in. Yeah, it's not finished.
Yeah, it's a bullshit storage.
Yep.
We stop sign.
New stop sign. What the fuck?
Oh shit, they do got it kind of partial. It's not just open.
Yeah, this could be a 3rd unit. It's got a bathroom in it already.
Their tools are still up here, so I wonder if they were like trying to. What they were trying to do, you know?
Yeah. Somebody living up here. Got some cones.
Right here, an illegal crack then.
Huh. I mean, yeah, this could be a
lot of free cotton candy.
nice efficiency.
I mean, they're trying.
1 bed.
They're definitely trying to turn this into a 3rd unit. Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah, shower stuff's kind of plumbed in.
I think they're working on it.
Or, I'm sorry, drain. Shower's already in.
I mean, it has to be like 50
$60 toilet.
Uh-oh.
What'd you find?
There's a 3-day notice on the ground.
For what unit?
Second floor.
Huh.
Yup. Well, now we know why it's vacant.
Yeah. All right. You know what I'm not seeing up here? Any kind of heating ducts?
Just go electrical, I feel like.
Yeah, you can put some baseboard heat up.
I feel like that's like the easiest way to do it. Attic heat.
Mm-hmm.
If it's a good diversion.
Oh, watch your head, dude. A lot of exposed nails.
We're coming back up through here, right?
Yeah, I would imagine. I don't think we can go out the side.
Right.
Alright. There's my electricals. Yeah, so Yep.
Makes it easy. Oh yeah, this is a nice album. Oh, it's camera, like literally in my face.
Yeah. I'd imagine that's the downstairs unit's camera.
Yeah,
I feel like.
common area.
Yeah.
There's 2 smokes here and the CO detector all within like 2 feet of each other.
Perfect. That's
I
basically.
don't think it's 10 years, right?
Basically everything.
You know what I mean?
Older hot water tank. How do I get to furnace? Older furnaces. Labeled Duquesne. This is the downstairs one.
Yeah.
All right.
All good?
Yep.
Attic's all locked up, so we'll just retrace our steps. We should be good.
Sounds good to me. Watch your step on that first step. It's kind of crooked.
A little slanted.
Yep. Cool ass doorknob. Just doing one more sweep because we were downstairs for so long. Remnants. It's a cool lighter. Oh, it's got a cap on it. Pretty cool.
Let's see if you use our roaches in it.
Yeah. Some kind of home security thing.
All good?
Yep. Cool beans.
Right now.
Very dramatic. So yeah, mailbox up, mailbox down.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.